Ya umau nong rem bantai pynthymmai biang ya Ïew Laitumkhrah lawan bo do menteri badi khmi ka tenat kam penroisor ka sarkar jela uba snyau balang dhar haka khandai tarik urempang ar hajar ar puar la mang tingka ba ar phupra klur bantai pynthymmai biang ya kani ka Ïew ya bala bay da ka Shillong Smart City Limited but in pentrai kam da ka Shillong Municipal Board la khmi lenti ba kani ka Ïew in la bantai pynthdep ya ka hapo arsnem ka MLA ka thain Dr. Amprin Lingdo kala ong ba kani ka Ïew kanwan ra ka jinkermen ni ki pat ba ka constituency.
We, the people of Laitumkhrah, are indebted to the starting of this project. It has been a dream of all of our MLAs of the past, and I must be selfish and make a clear mention of my late father with respect to all the other MLAs who have been here, Hongla and others, who always thought that the day we will be able to see this project take off will be great hope to the people of the constituency in general. Thank you, sir. Sngau Halang, you have been so kind to also invite me and ensure that I also have a handling responsibility in this project. We would like to see it quickly complete itself. We have seen that it is possible looking at how the polo market has redeveloped itself so beautifully. We thank all who have worked hard and have toiled hard to ensure that this day materializes to what we are here today. And I wish the entire team who is going to be constructing this landmark building here the very best. We are anxious. We want to see it finished quickly. We want it to remain safe. And we would like to see that the people of Laitumkhrah truly become the core beneficiaries of this wonderful intervention.
Nagaling jo government, wala ni ra ka project ro. Klem kajite lang jangi nongsong song ngisong tu kampo siya. Kajing kublay ka karpang kumang maniri katin farang yagi lokal mli jong pi. Kabasuju tlia si tlia ki sarkar nado ka kapon don lang ka kongres bro armo. Isong nga kaway kasi masuba nga tale arrangement job si job. Tanggalay mo kra market ngamla panwanra. Madam, your dream come true today. An kajing trace tom jong ka officer jong nga klem song klem tia, klem kulang kiti. Kaway ngamla pan kledi kata. Hanay ngisong to hakatimwok nila mulai kanu-kanu ka. O kontaktor don bok ngi o kontaktor biang ba paunam hagiling baro. Nakaling jung ngam da don aratin tra ima marbing pendep igani ka project. Hapo ka por bobo. Tawag don katuga ni baplig ng song hagan gayo ginong song gibarim kinong layo lihat. Ngatip inconvenient ka don barki. Haday nga bu ka request sa bahaya siya. Nga tharay nakaling gomeng push kat balak ni pendep ni project ka por biang kanang ba. Ngisong to naladep kini ka project. Mday tami accommodate iktigibe basu suman so handay kaburum ya kalay mukra hibro kobi bare gomen hibro kobi nganginong nyo igaw new market hapolat mukra ngasaw sarong kum minister nangisaw to baros ka tu kijibiru kijong ha tip kani Ïew Laitumkhrah try kan kala haunted house no don't give a cranberry but it's true, it's a fact haning so sarong bad kat kumbulong mantan kiti ngilalap kriya no inuman ras dan de new market ni nakaling jo ang kwat beken bon kutin nang sutho kani barong ang nur hiba ka project hapo katuk anis nem try kanlong do complete in sekedu hagawe ke por kumga inauguration program